Hey guys, so I'm like fucking pissed. Like, I'm just pissed. Like, pissed at fucking everything. Like, first off, the fucking electricity is fucking gone. So, like, I fucking can't make fucking covers and shit because, yeah, because I'm always fucking using my fucking TV screen. And since there's no fucking electricity, I fucking can't turn the TV on. And second off, I can't fucking listen to music, go on YouTube or anything because I can't fucking use my Wi-Fi. And, like, on top of that, I can't fucking use my data fucking shit, or I can't turn it on because, like, I'm fucking, like, almost, like, fucking going over it and shit. And then, I want to talk about, like, fucking public restrooms and fucking shit. Like, oh my god, I fucking hate public restrooms. I hate the fact that when I fucking go in, and then there's fucking pee stains all over the fucking rim. Like, bitch, you have a fucking vagina. Sit your fucking ass down and fucking pee. Like, bitch, if you have to fucking squat, but clean after your fucking goddamn selves. Like, bitch, like, what the fuck? I don't know, that shit just pissed me the fuck off. And then, porta potties. Like, I don't know if you guys ever watch the movie The Eye. I mean, I bet you guys do, but that movie The Eye, like, it's like, there's this one part where, like, this dude, I guess he got fucking put in the fucking porta potty, and then this other dude fucking came in, he was gonna fucking take a piss, and then fucking bam, that bitch nigga wanna fucking pop up or pop out of that fucking porta potty, talking about and like, bitch, like, what the fuck? That shit's fucking scary. Like, first off, I fucking hate pop-ups, and second off, you wanna fucking pop out of a fucking porta potty? Like, bitch, that's fucking scary. That's like the fucking worst. Like, ugh, like, that's fucking disturbing, you know what I'm saying? Like, it makes me, like, nervous and, like, scared to, like, use the restroom or, you know, use the restroom in fucking porta potties. Like, that's why when I go to Little Lake, like, there's a fucking porta potty there, but then I don't want to use it because, you know, what if that happens? What if someone actually, like, was in there and, like, I don't fucking know? Like, you know, we don't know what's inside there because that shit is, like, I don't fucking know. It's fucking scary looking down there. But anyways, yeah, and like I said, like, bitch, if you have a fucking vagina, use the woman's restroom. If you have a fucking penis, bitch, use a fucking men's restroom. Because, bitch, is fucking next door. Like, I don't know if you guys know, but I work at McDonald's, and there's a fucking public restroom there. And, you know, customers are always coming in and out of the restrooms. And the crazy shit is, like, you know, I know we're not supposed to let homeless people or the bums just go in and, like, you know, use the restroom and stuff, you know, because you have to, like, actually buy something to actually use the restroom, I guess, because it's for, like, customer the customer restroom only or fucking some shit, I don't know. But, like, you know, like, I would feel horrible about it because that's not right, you know. I feel like, you know, if you need to use the restroom, you need to use the restroom, you know what I'm saying? So, like, sometimes when the, you know, bum asks me, hey, can you use your, I'm like, alright, for sure. So I would, like, you know, open up the restroom for them. And, you know, it's my fault as well. But then every time I go in after them, this shit's always fucking dirty. Like, it's like they fucking took a shower in there or fucking some shit. I don't fucking know. Like, bitch, nigga, if you want to fucking do that shit, and I gave you the fucking, like, I fucking gave you the fucking right to fucking use the fucking restroom, fucking clean up after your fucking selves. Like, I'm just pissed. Like, I hate it when, like, they make a mess and then, like, you know, one of our other crew members that's doing the lobby, they have to, like, fucking deal with this shit. Like, this, it pisses me the fuck off. And second of all, like I said, like, you know, customers coming in and out, and they're mostly girls. Like, I don't know about the men's restroom because I fucking hardly go in there. And the reason why I say hardly is because I'm not a fucking stalker, okay? Like, I'm saying, like, you know, when I have to fucking check the lobby and I have to fucking clean the men's restroom as well. Yeah, like, honestly speaking, I think the men's restroom is, like, fucking way cleaner than a fucking woman's restroom because bitches be fucking peeing all over the fucking rim of the toilet. Like, bitch, get yourself together. If you have a JJ, fucking sit and fucking pee. If you have a fucking penis, fucking go next door, bitch, or fucking get that shit surgerized or something. I don't fucking know. I don't even know if that's a fucking word, but shit, bitch, fucking clean up their fucking goddamn selves. And, whatchamacallit, if you have a fucking dick or a Venus, you better fucking, I don't fucking know, go take care of that shit somewhere else because, bitch, nigga, like, I hate when our fucking restrooms are a fucking mess. Like, it's disgusting. Like, it's supposed to be, you know, a fucking good place where you can fucking just, you know, have your fucking, like, enjoy your fucking meal and fucking, like, be able to use the restroom, you know, to see that the restroom is fucking wonderful and beautiful and all that fucking shit, you know what I'm saying? But not, like, fucking got done eating, or you're fucking, like, halfway fucking eating and you had to walk into a fucking dirty restroom just because you fucking want to wash your hands or some shit. I don't fucking know. And then you would lose your fucking appetite, like, bitch, nigga. Like, I hate that fucking feeling. But anyways, I just want to fucking rant about that, because, like I said, I'm fucking bored and there's no fucking electricity, so I don't know what else I can do. And, oh my god, guys, like, it's crazy. There's no fucking video, what the fuck? There's no fucking music in my fucking background. That's crazy. But yeah, you know, like this video, you know, subscribe, thumbs up it, what else? Like it, thanks, love it, yay. Hate it, I really don't give a fuck, bitch. Bye.